Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the photo and immediately duplicating the background layer so you can always revert. Next, choose a selection method. Quick mask for soft edges or pen tool for hair and complex shapes. Make the initial selection around the subject. Take your time. Once done, refine the mask using a small feather, around 0.5 to 2 px, and inspect at 100% zoom to catch stray pixels. This setup saves time later and prevents accidental image loss. You now place the new background under the subject layer and make sure the aspect ratio and perspective roughly match. This keeps composition believable. Then, add a layer mask to the subject and paint with a soft black brush to reveal the new background. Switch to white to restore areas. Make subtle color and levels adjustments. Match highlights, shadows, and temperature so the subject appears naturally lit. Also nudge perspective or scale if the horizon or vanishing lines need alignment. Finish by blending with dodge and burn to match contact shadows and highlights. You want cohesion between subject and new background. Add selective color tweaks and a slight sharpening on the subject. Then apply a subtle global grain or blur to match image noise. If edges look off, increase the mask feather a touch and use the refine edge or smudge tool for hair. If colors still clash, try a global color lookup or low opacity color wash to unify the scene.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.